Hey, I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube video series on currency search. Now in this video, we have 75 $1 bills, and we are going to be looking for misprints, offsets, different color variations that aren't supposed to be that way, such as if this is green and this is black, and unusual serial numbers, which will include a straight, a mixed straight, a ladder, a star note, anything like that. We're going to be looking for just something that looks kind of weird in the serial numbers that you think you might want to collect. Birth dates for people that you know, anything like that. And good thing about this hobby is there's no way you can lose money, and you can make a little bit of money, such as if you have two sets of four, like 4 6s and 4 5s, and so on. Now I personally collect star notes, which would be a star on the end instead of an A, 4 of a kinds, and of course anything higher than 4 of a kind, 5 of a kind, 6 of a kind, straights, ladders, anything that just stands out to me. So we're going to search these $1 bills, and we're just going to grab a few right here, push that one aside, going to go right here, and I'm going to zoom in, and we're going to read these off and go through this stack of 75 $1 bills together. 566-06632. Now that is 2 pair. I don't collect pairs unless there's 4 pairs. 7608-9285. Nope. 7832-2665. Nope. 1268-0895. Nope. Now my daughter was born on July 31st, 1988. So if I see a 0731-1988, of course I'm going to save that one. 4144-5266. Nope. 5097-2211. Nope. 1262-7992. Nope. Lots of times reading these numbers, they'll start fading into each other after a while. So if I make a couple of little mistakes here and there, forgive me, but just know that not all of them you're going to keep. My main thing is star notes. My main collection is star notes, and we will go over my collection of star notes one day. 8840-2256. Nope. 74567306. Nope. 0505-3260. Nope. 4961-9604. Nope. 899-36176. Nope. Now you might want to collect one that has your initials on there, such as a K and a T. 8237-5144. Nope. 1858-3947. Nope. 4392-1438. Nope. 8386-7269. Nope. 011-83047. I said that one wrong. 0118-3047. 2650-6004. Now that has 3 zeros, but to me it's not a collectible. 4480-9886. Nope. 301-31873. Nope. 38994373. Nope. 066757006. Nope. 0354 0354747940. It's already started. 87957162. 874-19893. 651-73445. 4547-3236. 300-94620. 368-64489. Nope. 1586-1472. Now I'm sure something happened in one of those years, 1586 or 1472. 791-24755. 825-72094. 3910-8753. 7289044. 60255-322. Nope. 1134-4392. Nope. 800-31338. Nope. 459-573-45-953-737. 3405-9897. Nope. That stack we're going to push aside and go to this stack right here. It's a very worn $1 bill. 2574-4472. Nope. 076-26497. Nope. 2907-6977. Now I used to do 100 bills at a time, but that got to be too many for looking at numbers for a few minutes at a time. So I cut it down to 75, and some videos I have with just 50. 400-73321. Nope. 1675-7103. Nope. 5810-2442. Nope. 5825-1736. Nope. 288-235-57. Nope. 3806-5668. Nope. 1130-5875. Nope. 1229-3074. Nope. Ah, look at there. I got one. B 0817-9602 with a star note on the end. How about that? I'm definitely going to put that aside and put it in my special star note stack. So, just looking at this, I'm guessing this is worth, it's not in the best condition, but it's not in the worst by any means. Back looks okay. Now this is worth at least 5% more than face value, which is more than what a bank could give you, right? So I'm going to put that one aside. 6937721. Nope. 939771130. Nope. 50742724. Nope. 72309584. Nope. 764-91061. Nope. 5532 1553-2964. Nope. 1703-2961. Nope. 8198-2851. Nope. 2945-3359. Nope. 300-84111. Nope. 2381-7905. Nope. 216-19517. Nope. 0973-7033. Nope. 5681-9796. 5681-9796. Boy. 3455-7772. Nope. Stack is getting thin right here. You fold out that corner. 179-54240. Nope. 2834-3203. Nope. 653-84799. 9876543. Now if this was a 0 or a 2, it'd be a collectible, but like it is, nope. 3064-6410. Nope. 6933-8392. Nope. 854-00680. Nope. 1027-2622. Nope. 2909-3765. Nope. So there we go. I have a stack of 75 pieces of $1 bills. Let me zoom out now. Whoops, wrong way. Battery's almost dead, just in time. So here we go. We have this 0817-08179602 star note. Put that in the stack, and my name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.